Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session of emerging political trends between 1977 to 2000, children, where we were learning about the regional aspirations due to the massive campaigns that were conducted in the South India. Many regional parties have sprang up in South India. Until then, there was a domination of single party Congress in these states, but because of Congress its own mistakes, there was a new political party which has come up. So if you look at that, I was talking to you yesterday regarding the Telugu Desam party, which was established by the veteran film actor Nandamuri Tarak Ramarao, NT Ramarao. A well-known face in the Telugu film industry had established with a tagline a political party that is Teluguvari Atma Gauravam Kosam. Atma Gauravam means self-respect. Because there was no self-respect for the Congress leaders in Delhi, they have been changing the the chief ministers of the state, and Telugu people don't have any self-respect in Delhi, it was imagined. So with that tagline, he established a political party on his 60th birthday. That was in 1981. So he came to power. Within 9 months after establishing the political party, he came to power. 9 months में वो chief minister बन गया. So that was a big record, Guinness record, that after establishing a political party coming to the power. So he came to power with many welfare activities, and he also swept the elections in 1982. However, there were many events which had occurred in his first term being as a chief minister. In 1984, what happened? He has to leave for United States for the sake of a heart surgery. So during this period, as he will be away from the state for more than 6-7 months, here the administration should not suffer. So उसके लिए क्या करे, उसका कैबिनेट कलीग को एक को इधर टेम्पररी चीफ मिनिस्टर करके गया. His name is Nadendra Bhaskar Rao. N. Bhaskar Rao was considered as his close associate. So he made Bhaskar Rao as a temporary chief minister, and he went for the heart transplantation surgery जब. So वापस आने के बाद उसको उतरने के लिए बोले तो मैं नहीं उतरता बोल के बोल रहा. So when he came back, he has defected into Nadendra Bhaskar Rao defected into Congress, और गवर्नर भी उसके साथ दे रहा था, and he did not listen to the words of NT Ramarao. So on his return, NT Ramarao has challenged the action of the governor and proved that he had support of the majority MLAs, and after a month of campaigning and fight with the central government, finally the old governor रामलाल था, तब गवर्नर का नाम रामलाल था, रामलाल को निकाल दे के एक न्यू गवर्नर को इंदिरा गांधी अपॉइंट करी, and the new governor who reappointed NTR as a chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. In this struggle against arbitrary dismissal, NTR also joined his hands with many of the smaller parties or the regional parties in the country, like Shiromani Akali Dal, which was already fighting for the federal spirit in the country, and even DMK in Tamil Nadu, that is Shiromani Akali Dal, and National Conference in Kashmir also was fighting for more autonomy in Kashmir. So with all these people, he joined into a front, and he brought pressure on the central government to be restated as a chief minister of the country, of the state. And second time, after the first term, he was defeated and Congress came to power, and Congress has played the same card again. So Congress was for every 2 years they were changing the chief ministers. There were Kotla Vijay Bhaskar Reddy, Nadendra Janardhan Reddy. So many people they started changing again. Due to which what happened, this time he came with a massive plan of 2 rupees per kg rice, and there was a liquor problem. Alcohol problem was there. Already there was a Sara Udyamam or Sara movement. Arak movement was going on in the state, especially in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana region. Arak movement was there. Arak बोले तो सारा बोल के एक अल्कोहल बेचते थे इधर तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश में. उसके वजह से बहुत सारे घरों में फाइटिंग्स यूज्ड टू टेक प्लेस. सो रोज़ का पैसे जो है, जो कमाई का पैसा जो है, वो अल्कोहल के ऊपर खर्चा कर रहे बोल के लोग कर रहा बोल के NTR has come up with a plan to completely ban alcohol in the state. So that was a prohibition. So these were the two weapons which had brought him to power again in 1994. So he came to power second time also as a chief minister because of two important programs. One is 2 రూపాయలకు కిలో బియ్యం. Now the government is giving per 1 rupee. This 1 rupee is also made by YS Rajashekar Reddy actually. Previously it was 2 rupees per kg. So this 2 rupees per kg rice program was brought by the NT Ramarao only. And another one is prohibition. So he came to power in 1994. But this time, see his fate. First time it was Nadenla Bhaskar Rao, due to which he had to lose his term. And second time, it was his own son-in-law, that is Nara Chandrababu Naidu. Naidu hai nahi abhi, Nara Chandrababu Naidu, NT Ramarao ka damad hai wo. So he is a son-in-law of NT Ramarao, and his own son-in-law has split the party into two because of his NT Ramarao's second wife Lakshmi Parvati, and due to which the party got divided and he has to lose the chair, and Chandrababu Naidu has come to power. Since then Chandrababu Naidu continued with the Telugu Desam party with the symbol bicycle, and later NT Ramarao died with this grief. So we shall further also understand about the story of Lakshmi Parvati and NT Ramarao in our further classes, children. Thank you.